Aloha, my name is Coral Andrews. I'm the Executive Director for the Hawaii Health Connector, which is the health insurance exchange being established here in Hawaii. The Health Insurance Exchange was enabled through the passage of the Patient Protection and Affordable Care Act in 2010 and in Hawaii through Act 205. We look forward to bringing to consumers, both individuals and small businesses in our state, an opportunity to gain access to affordable health coverage and also quality health coverage. Open enrollment will start in October 2013 and we go live in January 2014. More information can be found about our organization at www.hawaiihealthconnector.com. Aloha.
Thank you.